Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, we have come with our new video content today. Our new content for today's video is how to remove green screen on CapCut. Alright, so let's start the video without delay. But first of all, you have to open your CapCut app. After opening it, you will see an option called New Project. After clicking on New Project, you need to select the photo or video first. You will select your video or photo here. I am selecting a photo here. After that, you need to add it here. Once you add it, an interface like this will appear in front of you. You will see many options below. You need to click on overlay here and click on add overlay. After doing that, select your green screen here. Alright. After selecting, place your opinion here where the green screen will go. After placing it, what do you have to do? After scrolling the options slightly, you will see an option called Remove BG here. Once you click on the Remove BG option, you will find an option called Key at the third position. Okay, so after clicking on that key, you will find this here. Here you have to increase the intensity a bit. After increasing the intensity, once you write, I will show you how the video looks. So in this way, you can remove the background of your print screen like this. So friends, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. For now, I am leaving. See you in the next video.